That's a great question. I think with the pandemic, remote working and remote services has already changed the way we engage with our customers. Specifically, I see a couple of different ways that remote services and remote working has enhanced the relationship. So, firstly, it is now a lot quicker and easier to get the support you need. In the past, if a customer needed support, we are typically looking to send the closest support person to the mill. So you have to factor in the travel time. But now, with the remote infrastructure that we have in place, with the Valmet performance centers, the augmented reality tools, the virtual reality tools, and of course the advanced analytics, support can be a lot quicker, essentially on demand, and more importantly, it's going to be data driven. Another positive change is that you are no longer limited to the experts in a particular geographical area. So, with the Valmet Performance Centers, customers have access to Valmet's global talent pool. So, for example, a customer in the US can work to diagnose an issue with an expert overseas in real time with the infrastructure that we have in place. This also facilitates running more efficient startups with experts supporting remotely from around the world. And the last point I'd like to make is that the global Valmet Performance Centers also provide customers with the possibility of round the clock support and remote monitoring. So, for example, it could be 3 a.m. at a mill on the East Coast in the US, but if there is a support need from the mill, that can be routed to an expert in one of our global Valmet Performance Centers.